Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. Manual logbooks for plant and equipment are a hassle to complete and hard to reference without accessing the assets. With Dashpivot's plant and equipment logbook app, you can replace these cumbersome logs with a single user-friendly app. In Dashpivot, you can create a logbook template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. Let's just run a search at the top here as we're looking for this specific template. You can see that we have two logbooks available, a vehicle logbook and construction logbook. But for this one, we're looking for plant and equipment, so we're going to preview this vehicle logbook here. Keep in mind that everything that you see here is fully customizable once added to your account. Now that the templates are available for you, you can start filling in these digital logbooks within your team folders. Our standard vehicle logbook template includes the date field, vehicle and driver information, the duration of the trip. Let's just put in some example. A table for the odometer reading, where we also implement a formula for the third column here to calculate the total kilometers traveled. A text box for the purpose or additional comments, and then a driver sign off at the end. Once completed and saved, the log will then be shown in a timeline view sorted by the date that we had input in the form, just like this. All of these logbook data are then automatically compiled into a register where information are displayed in a table format. You can use filters at the top to find relevant forms and then export their data as CSV or PDF. Changing the format of the logbook template is easy. Head into the template editor. Dashpivot features a user-friendly drag-and-drop system for template builder here, allowing you to format your template to best suit your organization's needs. There are many different types of fields available, whether it's text, dates, questions, list tables, and so on, and you can rearrange them as needed. To ensure that important and unique information is captured and not duplicated, fields can be made required and excluded from form cloning, which is in the field settings on the top left corner of each field. And as we saw earlier, formulas can be implemented in a table. In this case, we've used formulas to calculate the total kilometers traveled, like so. The list module can be used as a database with various properties. For example, let's look at the plant and vehicle list here. In this list, we have information about each plant, whether it's a make and model, asset, and so on. We also have a special type of property called expiry date, where you can choose to be notified when a certain date is approaching or when it's overdue by amount of days. These lists here can also be linked to your template format and used as a drop-down list or as a multiple choice list. Information captured in your logbooks can be analyzed further using analytics, which is available at both the home folder and the team folders. For example, I've set up a quantity chart here to track the total kilometers traveled broken down by the person creating the form. Logs can be created and submitted using mobile or tablet for easy access. The forms are organized in a timeline view just like on the web access. You can continue working on existing logbook or create a new one using that plus button. Once completed and you need to share a copy of your logbook with others right away, you don't have to use a computer to export it. Instead, you can send it as a PDF file via an email directly from the app. The mobile and tablet app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, Power BI, etc. using our integration product Flowsite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your logbook data from Dashpivot to your preferred data storage or analytic tools. Try Dashpivot for your logbooks today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.